That's the good stuff. Gotta have it. Good morning, everyone. We are camping. As soon as I get done eating breakfast that my lovely wife cooked for me. Thank you, honey. We're gonna go take the Valkyrie out for a little rip in the campground. So maybe you noticed a theme on this camping trip is Redcat camping. Now I put a censored system in here. I believe it's censored. Maybe not. Now it got me wondering. Something I just did has a censored system. Oh, maybe not. Maybe, yeah, this is just a quick run. Yeah, it's not censored. Ah. What was I thinking? Something I just had censored. Yeah, see this thing. I think it's that gear reduction unit just causes all the cogging. Good grief though, man, this thing. So I think I might have made a mistake on this thing. I kept thinking the steering was too fast, too twitchy. And that's why it was like hard to steer, but you know, Chris with the C, I brought him his Valkyrie and he said he felt like the steering was too slow and that's why it was hard to. And I think, you know, I think he was right, because when I'm driving it now, it's like, yeah, see, you turn it. So I just went ahead and I upped the BEC from 6 to whatever, 7.2. Yeah, and I'll tell you what, that does feel a whole lot better. Oh, Chris was right. That's why it's good to share thoughts and talk with other people. You know, it might not always be right. I was just misreading that completely, because I was having such a hard time steering it, but didn't think, oh, hey, that's because it's too slow. Yeah, I didn't think that at all. Oh, look at that, that's cool. It's like the old Dukes of Hazzard or something, kind of like you see that running in the down the dirt roads, kicking up the leaves. Oh man, I have 2 wet, muddy Redcats to clean when I get home. Oh. I'll tell you what, this thing is a beast on 4S. It really didn't need 4S, but I was determined to get the run on 4S. Now the factory system, to me, it might have worked in this kind of climate. I don't know. It's very cool right now. If you didn't know, I'm wearing a jacket. But I was determined, yeah, to get this thing to work on 4S. It was just going in a thermal way too fast. I wonder if the MT, the monster truck version, isn't different gearing or something. But because even though it was kind of cool when we were in Wales, Chris's didn't even begin to seem to get as hot as what this thing did. And it's hard because I don't see too many people doing the truggy. Because me and RC Guy Garage both had a problem with the overheating, but I haven't seen anybody with the truggy version. But they also have a taller tire, so maybe that adds something and takes away something. I don't know. But on those, man, it's a great RC, man. So far, I haven't broken a thing on it. It's definitely not from kind of like lack of trying, or this is not like I intentionally try to break stuff, but it's definitely like that. Takes a good whack off a damn tree by accident. I don't want to do that and kick up rocks on my RV. Jeez. Ow. I wish there was more I could do out here with this. Not really a whole lot here in the way of terrain and stuff. But I think it did look pretty cool running through the leaves and stuff. Whoa! It is spinning. Let's see, I know the semi truck I got is a censored motor. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Oh. I really thought this was censored. Maybe not. I guess I probably went on the cheaper end because I didn't want to have a ton of money invested in this thing. But... oh man, I'll tell you what, really liking the Redcats. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but like on the Kaiju, somehow the factory really messed that one up. It didn't have the tethers. The wheels didn't say Redcat like they're supposed to. The wing, from what I understand, was supposed to actually come on the car already assembled. Mine was just in the box with no hardware. So man, Redcat sent me a new wing with the hardware, all new wheels and tires that say Redcat. I would have taken like a credit or something. It was just a sticker. It's really what I thought they were gonna send me, just some stickers to put on the wheels, and I would have been good with it. They sent me all new wheels. So I got new wheels, a new wing, the tethers. Yeah, I blown away. Blown away with just like when I bought this off of Redcat's website. Then they found that they misdid the shocks. That some shocks were pressed on, they should have been threaded. And they just sent me new shocks, no questions. No questions about it. Man, look at all the leaves I got piled up in this thing. Oh man. Beautiful crisp morning for an RC drive. Haha. But now I get a nice wet muddy car I gotta put in the RV. It's fun. I bet your kids next door are gonna be like, I want an RC car for Christmas now. Uh-oh. Ooh. Man, I wish there was just more space. But yeah, I gotta get ready to go. The wife wants to drive around and look at the fall colors. You gotta notice leaves are changing here. Got some pretty reds and some yellows. There's other places to go out and see colors, so we're gonna drive around again yet another day. Oh, ow. All right, everyone, I'm just gonna take a quick look inside before I'll wrap this thing up. Ugh. Golly, these pins are so hard to get out. That was something interesting too. On a monster truck, does not have these tethers at all. It's just loose pins. So yeah, gotta say that's a win, man. That's, I mean, I know it's cool out, but ESC, I mean, almost nothing. The motor's got some temp to it, but it's not horrible at all. And yeah, I don't know why I thought this was sensitive. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching me get the Valkyrie nice and dirty. Enjoyed watching run around the campground. Just having fun, man. That's what it's about. This is the life part of the channel, man. Going out camping, still bringing the hobby with you, having fun. You can have fun anywhere you go, as far as I know, for the most part, I think. Hell, I even took an RC car to Europe. If you missed that, check it out. I packed the Grom, fit small. I actually shoved the Grom in between the wheels of a Valkyrie that I delivered. All right, everyone. Oh, sorry about that. Everyone, hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for the support. Links down below. Got you some discounts and ways to help the channel if you shop. If you're gonna buy one of these, I got affiliate links. If you would go to those, greatly appreciated. Helps me out to buy these things because I am not sponsored. Everything you see, or just about everything you see in this channel, is bought by me, and I put more money into this than I make on YouTube. So support's greatly appreciated. Everyone, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.